Okay, so let's take a look at simple SQL query to check the number of users which are allowed to use forecasting feature, or for them forecasting is enabled. Okay, so we will go into Salesforce dashboard account and open developer console. Okay, that should open new window, and here you see query editor. Okay, here in this query editor, what we will do is we will use select query, then use count, and then we will check count of ID, number of IDs from user. Okay, where it's active set to true, user needs to be active, and forecast enabled also set to true. Okay, so if we execute this query, it should return something. So currently I only have one such users in my organization who has the forecasting enabled. So in your case, your organization, it may result in multiple set of rows, and the count will result in simple number 1 2 3 4, whatever that number is. We are not printing the ID or name or something, only count, and we are also passing the parameter ID, so only ID will be counted for this. So the idea how to use SQL query to check number of users who has forecasting enabled.